honestly, she won. She but I came in third place. Hey, Bria, catch the ball. Catch the ball. Never mind. I'm sorry. Bria. I'm sorry.
On this part.
Yeah, I kind of failed. I don't know. I have to cheat because I don't know where the end is at. I think I'm close. I think I'm close to the end. I think I'm close. Oh, she's right there. No. Never mind.
Yeah, you see me in the background. You just see me in the back.
I don't know what to. I can't even see me. Where am I at? Oh, I see. Okay, I see myself. No. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel right here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Bria Clubhouse.
Okay, this is my least favorite type of game. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I had to. I'm sorry. Back there. Please.
Yeah, you just see me just correctly. Just look at me.
I'm so sorry. I'm upside down. Where am I? Where I go, bro? Alright. Bro, are you almost there?
Not even half.
Alright, next. Please. Okay, Bria. So this game you never played before. But, so right here you got avoid obstacles like this. Right here. Yeah, like this. Okay, please do not try it out. Please. I'm begging you. Hands up, please. About to do aura moment on Doc. Okay, guys, it's still live. I am still live. Y'all, comment down below what video y'all think I should do next. So, bye guys. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment.
Bye, everybody.